Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Zest and Zeal. Today's topic is Chapter 9 Fundamentals of Trigonometry, exercise number 9.1. Question number 8 and 9 we will discuss today. Okay. Question number 8 is how far does a boy on a bicycle travel in 10 revolutions if the diameters of the wheels of his bicycle each equals to 56 centimeter? Okay, how far does a boy in distance you have to find out, means as according to the formula. In 10 revolution, one revolution is actually like a complete circle. If we start bicycling from here, after one complete circle it covers one revolution. Okay, in 10 revolution, if the diameter of the wheel of his bicycle is equals to 56 centimeter, diameter is actually given. What is diameter here? Diameter is 56 centimeter. Okay. With the help of this diameter, we can easily find out the radius. How can we find out the radius? By dividing the 56 by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16. 28 centimeter is the diameter. Okay. As you have to find out a central angle for one revolution. We know that central angle for one revolution is 2 pi radian or 360. We know that a complete circle is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, 2 pi or 2 pi radians. Okay, central angle for 2 revolution for 10 revolution. You have to find out for the 10 revolution. For 10 revolution, you can just multiply 2 pi multiply with 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 pi radian. Okay. Distance you need to find out. Okay. We have the formula. What is the formula? Formula is S is equals to R theta. Central angle, like this is the theta actually. Okay. Put the values. What is R? R is 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. Theta is 20 pi. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. Okay. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. Remaining term is 4 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 22. 4 twos are 8. 0 multiplied by 22. You can use your calculator. 80 multiplied by 22. 1760 centimeter. 1760 centimeter or 17.6 meter. Okay, this is the answer of the. You can write the answer like this. What is the question? How far does a boy on a bicycle travel? How far? 1760 centimeter or 17.6 meter. A boy on a bicycle travel in 10 revolution. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now come to the question number 9. Question number 9 is given in a point on the rim of a 21 centimeter diameter. Flywheels travels 5040 meters in a minute. Through how many radians does the wheel turns in a second? Okay, what is given here? 21 centimeter diameter is given and 5040 meter in a minute. Travel distance is given in a minute, but वो आपको कह रहे हैं कि आपको सेकंड में आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है. हाउ मेनी रेडियन मीन्स थीटा आपको मालूम करना है. व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन? diameter is given 21 centimeter. ओके, सेंटीमीटर में यहाँ पे आपके पास डायमीटर गिवन है, बट जो डिस्टेंस है वो मीटर में है. दोनों चीज़ें आप मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लें या फिर दोनों चीज़ें सेंटीमीटर में रहने दें. ठीक है, हम दोनों चीज़ें सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, डायमीटर 21 सेंटीमीटर है, तो रेडियस आपके पास कितना हो जाएगा, 21 सेंटीमीटर डिवाइडेड बाई 2, जो कि आपके पास हो जाएगा 10.5 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, फिर आपके पास क्या दिया हुआ है, डिस्टेंस जो दिया हुआ है, डायमीटर ट्रैवल 5040 मीटर in a minute. Okay, distance in a minute, or we can say that in 60 seconds. Distance and 1 minute, या फिर कह दें 60 seconds. ओके, जो कि कितना है 5040 मीटर है। अगर हम डिस्टेंस जो है वो 60 सेकेंड्स 1 सेकेंड का निकालना चाहें, डिस्टेंस in 1 second, we can just divide 5040 meter by 60. Okay, 0 to 0 cancel out, 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48, 2 remaining, 6 4s are 24, 84 meter. Convert into centimeter, but it is the radius is in centimeter, so you can just convert into centimeter. 8 in a 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, so 84 meter is equals to 8400 centimeter. Okay, radius is this and this is distance s, actually this is centimeter. Okay, let radian be the central angle, be the central angle. थीटा is unknown here, क्योंकि आपको मालूम करना है. Again we have the same formula, s is equals to r theta. Theta you need to find out. Theta is s upon r. Value of s is 8400 centimeter divided by 10.5 centimeter. Centimeter to centimeter cancel out. Just divide 8400 divided by 10.5. Sorry, 10.5. Answer is 800 radians. 800 radians. Theta is in radian. So what is the question here? How many radians does the wheel turn in 1 second? You can write the answer like this: 800 radians. 800 radians. The wheel turn in a second. ओके, दोनों बातों का ख्याल रखना है. सेंटीमीटर में एक चीज़ गिवन है तो दूसरी चीज़ भी सेंटीमीटर में होगी, या दोनों चीज़ें मीटर में होंगी. और अगर आपसे मिनट में चीज़ें दी हुई हैं, आपसे सेकंड में पूछी गई हैं, तो उसके मुताबिक आपको कन्वर्जन भी करनी है. जैसे आपके पास मिनट या 1 मिनट बोले या 60 सेकेंड बोले, तो फिर हम 1 सेकेंड का आराम से निकाल सकते हैं डिवाइड करके 60 से. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़. कीप वॉचिंग फॉर दी अपकमिंग वीडियोज़.